This is the Honor Magic3. So you can see that Honor Magic3 and the Magic3 Pro, that is so balance of beauty. Honor Magic3 adopt 89 degree. And with the Honor Magic3 display is 6.76 inches, bigger than iPhone 12 Pro Max, but the width only 74.9 millimeters. You can see the bezel of the Honor Magic3 only 0.55 millimeter. Honor Magic3 is the 120 Hz, the refresh ratio. This display supports 1.07 billion colors. And this is our Honor Magic3 series, the screen. 6.76 inches. They support DCI-P3, HDR10, the contrast. And the accuracy is very good. Honor Magic3 series supports IP68, dust and water resistance. And Honor Blue Hour, the color design is inspired by its fantastic and amazing time. Honor Magic3 Golden Hour design philosophy come to this, the effect and the beautiful sky. Classic and premium black. And show you the Honor Magic3 and the Magic3 Pro family. Honor Magic3 Pro adopt Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset. He adopt Cortex-X1 architecture. The performance improved 5.6%. Adopt 6th generation the Qualcomm AI engine. The AI capability improved 20%. Can empower Honor Magic3 Pro can manage all kinds of AI capability. For the app's average response time is faster than iPhone 12 Pro Max, 12.6%. With the OS Turbo X, they integrated anti-aging engine. After 36 months, you can see the Honor Magic3 the performance just slow down 3.8%. Everybody know that Honor GPU Turbo X technology. Now we integrated this technology with the Snapdragon 888 Plus. But when Honor Magic3 Pro compared with iPhone 12 Pro, you can see our performance 5.4 frame higher than iPhone. Hexagonal, the graphene technology. With this one, compared with the traditional graphene, the heat dissipation capability improved 50%. That we combined 5G, Wi-Fi 6 combined together. So you cannot imagine the downlink speed can reach 6.1 gigabps. For Honor Magic3 series, we configured 4,600 milliampere hours battery. Honor Magic3 support supercharge. We support 66 watt wired supercharge and 50 watt wireless supercharge. You can see the main camera 50 megapixels and a monochrome camera 64 megapixels, ultra wide and the telephoto camera 8x8 dTOF, Sony MX766. Let me show the picture. This is the underwater, the lovely fish. This the main camera have the strong performance, and with HDR mode, you can see that this portrait like magazine style. Also, the Honor Magic3 have very strong the long exposure capability. So you can see that we can capture starry sky with the ultra wide camera we can sort this wide angle. And with the macro mode, you can see this half moon face, the color vivid. Also, you can see a lot of details. The industry leading telephoto camera. With this lens, it supports 64 megapixel and 3.5 times optical zoom, 10 times hybrid zoom. With this, I mean the extraordinary super zoom mode. When you enlarge from normal 1 to 3.5 times, 10 times, even 100 times, compared with the iPhone 12 Pro, you can see that this telephoto camera with the 10 times the zoom, you can see more details. And then that you shot the portrait, you can see that the texture on the face is show you more details. In this the scenario, Honor Magic 3, the color effect even better than iPhone 12 Pro. The Honor Magic 3 the Pro can capture this photo and give you the very clear details of the horse and the rider. Let's talk about front camera. You can see that we configured ultra wide camera for selfie. 3D depth camera. It supports 3D face unlock and attention aware. So they can identify the more people join, so they can auto zoom to give you the better view. Honor Magic 3 supports 3D top face unlock, and we support always on. When you read article or see the video, you do not worry about display will close, will switch off. Do not need to worry about these things. Honor Magic 3 support directional audio zoom. They have 3 mic. 1 mic is in the camera area. And we adopt the DTS:X algorithm. This is the leading the sound algorithm. And all this that work together. I'm really honorable to announce Honor Magic 3 passed IMAX Enhanced certification. Okay, now let's go to the software and application part. Honor will develop Magic UI. With its polar bear AOD, you can see, also can represent the different battery status. For example, for this 60 to 100%. Okay, this is today's Honor Magic 3. But for Honor, this is not enough. This is a Honor Magic 3 Pro Plus. Hello everyone, Honor Magic 3 Pro Plus. So you can see the different design style. The nano crystal glass is the most challenging part. It's for this super curved nano crystal. We adopt a nano crystal ceramic, and also the backside you can see the sculptural appearance. And with the super quad camera system, 50 megapixels main camera, 64 megapixels ultra wide main camera, monochrome 64 megapixels camera. The fourth main camera is a telephoto, 64 megapixels main camera. Also we configure 8x8 DToF, and also the multi-spectrum color temperature sensor to guarantee the real color for you. Compared with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, they show you more details, vivid color, and show you the original picture and the effect. You can see that it's a unmatched view. And for this macro, Please remember, this is the 64 megapixels. The macro lens is amazing. The first one is Honor Magic 3. 8 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes. 899 euros. Honor Magic 3 Pro. The configuration is 8 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes. 1,099 euros. Honor Magic 3 Pro Plus. The configuration is 12 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes. 1,499 euros. Thank you. Thank you very much.